Minto Hall, the epitome of Bhopali culture, so distinctive, yet so familiar. The Nawabi culture, their earthy nazakat, their idiosyncrasies, their crazy humor, their uncanny fancies. Interestingly, Minto Hall was also the result of the whims of the Nawab Begum Sultan Jahan of Bhopal, who wanted to please her British masters. Designed as a replica of the royal crown of King George V, the Minto Hall had always been the crown on Bhopal's head. From the day it was conceived as the royal guest house for hosting British generals. Then, as a skating rink, a hotel, a college, and then as a part of the police headquarters. Finally, its grandeur and its pillar-less high-rise ceiling made it most suitable for housing the most important pillars of democracy, the legislature, the Assembly of Madhya Pradesh for close to 5 decades. As democracy flourished, came up a new building for the assembly, and Minto Hall found a new hope to restore its pristine glory.
Conservation of heritage is something that is normally missing in our discourses. So when this project came to us for converting this Minto Hall into a convention center, we decided that we'll go for an International Heritage Convention Center. Now, internationally, the convention centers have a lot of requirements in terms of pre-function area, in terms of multiple conference rooms, breakaway sessions. We had to take care of all that. We had to ensure that the entire building was air conditioned and it could cater to the requirement of any international gathering. But at the same time, the primary requirement was to ensure that its heritage character is retained.
The Minto Hall in its new avatar is getting dressed up to be a crown on India's head, let alone Bhopal.
The original style, the original designs, patterns, etc. were almost hidden almost everywhere. We tried to imagine what the building must have been. We did a lot of research. Unfortunately, not much material is available. So again, we had to rely upon our own wisdom, experience, and of course, a lot of photographs that we collected of the life in those days, of the life of Nawabs in those days. And then we started imagining that how this building must have been conceived at that time.
This building has been witness to many historical events, but it is now poised to become an iconic structure that will facilitate futuristic discourses.
This is a blend of modernity and tradition. So we did this project in such a way that the tradition remained. Same time, the modern features are incorporated into the International Convention Center, like a building management system, like audio visuals, HAVC systems, and all other Wi-Fi facilities, all modern features which International Convention Center used to have, we have it here.
Restoring its original character was a big challenge, and equally big was the challenge to make its architecture in tune with future requirements.
इसकी इंटीरियर को डिज़ाइन करना, उसमें जितनी सर्विसेज थी, HVAC थी, BMS थे, एयर कंडीशनिंग थी, उन सारे चैलेंजेस को डिज़ाइन के पार्ट में एग्जीक्यूट करना एक हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग के अंदर, वो एक मेजर चैलेंज था.
The biggest challenge that we faced was actually in the main hall and the meeting room 1, which is a highly decorative room. The walls are highly decorated. The ceiling is very high. We couldn't provide air conditioning in the conventional manner. So our consultant worked out a very nice and effective concept. It's a novel concept by providing the air conditioning ducts below the floor.
In 27 years, between 1909 and 1936, The Minto Hall was built at a total cost of 3 lakh rupees. And now, the restoration alone, spanning over 30 months, has cost approximately 65 crores. When its restoration work started, the planners didn't gauge the depth of its intricacies.
Nawab Sultan Jahan Begum had a very clear image in her mind of what she wanted Minto Hall to look like. Further my research, I looked at the different Nawabi styles of that time and the Edwardian or Georgian styles of the time to get an idea of how I should go about doing the interiors of the place.
As each layer unfolded, it turned out to be an architectural wonder.
When the steps were removed, we found out the beautiful stone pillars. When the lime mortar and the paint layers were removed, we found the beautiful decoration, the stucco work that was there.
प्लांटर्स में हमने ब्रैकेट्स यूज़ करे हैं जो बिल्डिंग में लगे हुए हैं, मोटिव्स बोलते हैं इसको, तो उसी टाइप से कार्विंग करके मोमेंटो बोल दीजिए, कुछ बोल दीजिए, वो एक कैरेक्टर हमने इसको रिप्लिका करा है। और बाकी सराउंडिंग चारों तरफ रोड का सिस्टम वर्कआउट नेटवर्क करा है। पार्किंग एरिया भी सराउंडिंग ये हमारे बिल्डिंग के चारों तरफ आ रहे हैं और एग्जिस्टिंग ट्रीज को कट नहीं कर्टेल करा है।
When we say amenities, it includes a uniform air conditioning, world-class acoustics, a modern cafeteria, serene ambience, outdoor banquets, and so many other add-ons.
Since maintaining this in a whole heritage monument as an international convention center is a huge challenge, so MP Tourism Development Corporation as of now had gone for a good professional team. The Minto Hall will be manned by general manager, so he would be having a huge team, the engineering team and the housekeeping team, and there is a cafeteria in the rooftop of the Minto Hall, so there will be a good safe. So I think we have put a system in place to do the maintenance of the whole structure.
My main concern was to make this building barrier free for every individual who visits this building. For this purpose, the first thing that I provided was a ramp where a wheelchair user can easily climb up the ramp to enter the building. For purposes of reaching the first floor, we provided a lift at the rear, again in such a manner that it kinds of blends in with the existing building.
The names of various halls take us back to old memories to highlight and celebrate the important and historical role played by them in the development of Bhopal. First and foremost, Bhopal's founder, Raja Bhoj. The main hall has been named Raja Bhoj Hall. Meeting Room 1 is named after Nawab Shah Jahan Begum. The media room has been named after Padma Bhushan Pandit Makhan Lal Chaturvedi, a very highly respected poet, writer and journalist. Now, this Minto Hall will be a place where one can sit to discuss serious issues while appreciating the finesse of arts, culture and aesthetics.
The biggest achievement in this entire process has been to prove to the world that Madhya Pradesh knows how to conserve its heritage and make it a sustainable model. Putting money to convert a heritage building into a beautiful convention center is one thing, but to ensure that it remains island of excellence, it remains an icon for future generations to feel proud about, and this should create a wave of trying to conserve similar heritage buildings in our country and in our state.
This convention hall will be equipped with all the state-of-the-art facilities. 4 parallel sessions can also be held simultaneously besides a spacious banquet. Come, let's weave the dreams of a prosperous India and carve out its path in this pride of Bhopal.